guys, Jeff here from Casual Gravel Bikepacking. We're in Dutzow, Missouri on the Katy Trail. Gonna ride up to Portland today and camp for the night, then ride back tomorrow. Starting out this morning, it's fairly chilly, got a hoodie on. Hopefully as the day progresses I'll be able to get rid of that. I think it's supposed to be around 80 today. I think tonight like around the high 50s. So it should be some good camping weather. Just a couple miles down trail, we've got to stop and see the Daniel Boone Monument. I think it was the original place where he was buried, but it's a little too foggy this morning and you got to get on the road, so we may try and catch that on the way back. Just getting ready to leave Martha's-Ville. The next stop is Treelore, 7 miles that way. Here's the old trusty steed this morning in all our glory. Dashboard. Just getting ready to leave Treelore here. Next stop is McKittrick. It's about 16 miles. Still kind of foggy out. Supposed to start warming up pretty soon. It's like it's like 58, 59 degrees right now. But still pretty foggy. But I think it's gonna be a good day. guys, here by the Missouri River. Let's have a take a look at it. We're about 4 miles from being done for the day. Get to Portland here. We'll get a we'll find a campsite. But that's the Missouri River. Alright guys, made it to the campsite. Found the one that I like. I'll show it to you. That's right. Little shade under the tree here. Fire pit back here, but we won't use it. Probably going to set up in this area, or maybe over there by the picnic table. Back in Dutzow the next morning, kind of a short video. I came back in the middle of the night, but that's another story for another day. Like always, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.